Welcome, welcome. We're gonna try something different. We are abundant. We are worthy. Our birthright is abundance and success. Ooh, they fighting and kissing. Let's get close. Ooh, they fighting and kissing. I am worthy of success. Try to remember some of my positive quotes as I relax and try to zen out from the lack of so much. Am I interrupting a private moment? Oh Lord. Hey duckies. Hey duckies. Let me know if you're enjoying these in the comment section. We can go to the park together. 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 Let's woosah from our jobs, children, wives, husbands, family. My notion toxic and yalla. Amen. Well, y'all really having a vibe, huh? Y'all are really having a vibe. Let me give my folks a better view here. We got content, baby. Uh-oh, what are y'all doing? Why y'all beating up the other birdie? Uh-oh, somebody cheating on somebody? Uh-oh. You got real content, guys. I got you. House of Feeline presents. Okay, what are y'all doing? I don't understand, but I'ma mind my business. I don't understand, but I'ma mind my business. Who was caught doing what now, y'all? Somebody was doing something. The child was bad. Oh, he's just trying to have relations. Hold on, we got content, guys. Come along. That's what that house feline be like. Oh my God. What's wrong, birdies? Assalamu alaikum, good day. Well, who messed up? Somebody go get dinner. The kids ain't come home on time. What happened? Uh-oh. You gotta have some children. So I ain't ready. We're supposed to be talking. You keep trying to